Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I love a great storage solution, and these bags from Grip Grand Rapids provide me with exactly that. It comes in a set of 4, and a couple of things that I really appreciate about this particular type of storage is, for one, once you get the bags full, they're very easy to carry around. There's 2 different styles of handles. On one side you have short handles, and then on the opposite side you have these extra wide handles that are designed for you to put the bag on your back like a backpack. The reason I really love this is we store a lot of things in our attic. So once I get everything full, it's easy for me to throw on my back, climb up the ladder, and put it away. These are very generous size. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. And another thing I like is that when you're not using them, you can fold them up and put them away to where they're not taking up a bunch of space. They're moisture proof, so anything you store in here will be well protected. You can stack them on top of one another. And really, you can use these for just about any kind of storage. If it fits, you can use it. Overall, I'm really happy with these. They're just a very functional and practical storage solution. And that's my point of view.